Will the new garage door help me sell my home faster?
No, not necessarily. I think it could help, aesthetically, maybe with the curb appeal. But also, if you like it, do it.
Current garage door looks like trash, yes, a new garage door will make your house sell faster. But if you just have a normal looking garage door that's not damaged in any way, then I wouldn't spend money on a new one.
I heard a new garage door will increase my home's value.
No.
Yeah.
Well, it depends on what the status of your current garage door is. If your garage door looks like trash because you've backed into it, then yes, a new garage door will probably increase your value. But if you're just replacing your garage door because you read something on the internet that said, oh, this is like the best thing you can do for ROI, well, then I don't know. I wouldn't hold my breath.
A new 16x7 white insulated garage door at Menards will run you $1,242 plus tax. Plan on installation fees if you're not able to install yourself.
For now, I'll skip the new garage door